Hello everyone, welcome to this DS session of chain rule, wherein we are solving a problem. This problem says that 3 pumps working 8 hours a day can empty a tank in 2 days. So how many hours a day must 4 pumps work to empty the tank in 1 day? Alright, so let us try to write down the whole information that is given to us. The whole information is what? There are pumps, then we have got days and hours every day, and hours. There are three variables. How many pumps? 3 pumps working 8 hours a day can empty a tank in 2 days, right? Now in how many hours a day must 4 pumps in how many days? 1 day. So let us assume that there are x hours per day, and in fact you have to finish this work in 1 day only. In chain rule, this is how we try to write the whole information. This x will be written as 8 times 2 ratios. Why 2 ratios? There are pumps and days, because we are talking about hour. So x is what we have taken, we need to find it out. 8, this variable, this into 2 ratios. So let us see what are these 2 ratios. If there are 3 pumps, you are taking 8 hours every day. When number of pumps are increasing, can you appreciate that the total number of hours required per day will decrease? While we are talking about pumps and hours, days will be kept as constant. It is like you have nothing to do with this value. It comes out as very simple. 3 pumps require 8 hours per day. So how many hours 4 pumps would require? Can you appreciate that this is going to be nothing but less than 8 hours per day, because you are increasing the number of pumps. So this will be nothing but 3/4, right? Less than 1 ratio. Why less than 1 ratio? Because this value will be nothing but less than 8. When there were 3 pumps, you were required to put in 8 hours per day. Now when the number of pumps are increasing, the value of number of hours per day will certainly decrease. If it is going to decrease, so there are 2 ratios for you. In case of pump, there are 2 ratios that you know. One is 3/4 and the other is what? Other is 4/3. Since the value has to be less than 8, we will be taking a ratio which is less than 1. Now let us talk about days and hours. So every time we will be talking about this variable will be discussed first in the scenario of pumps and then in the scenario of days. Now when you have 2 days, you are putting in 8 hours per day. Now we have only 1 day. Now if you have only 1 day, can you appreciate that number of hours will be just double or more than 1 ratio? So how many ratios that we can form out of it? Either this is half or 2. And what are we looking for? We are looking for more than 8, hence the ratio will be 2/1. Now let us solve it, and you will have your answer to be 12 hours per day. Do you understand what I am talking about? So what is the takeaway from this particular video? Write the whole information in a very systematic order. Whatever is to be found out, take it as a variable, and then try to find out what is less than 1 ratio and more than 1 ratio for other variables. I hope you are understanding this. Thank you for watching this video. If still have got any doubt, any query, you should be writing on faculty@maugband.com. Bye bye and take care.